Hey everyone, it's Marianne. I'm here with Hit Kit Club, and I'm going to be using the December kits with the embellishment as well. And I believe I bring in a piece of the Pocket Life. So anyway, I'm going to create the layout that I just showed a second ago, but I'm talking so slow that I missed the picture. So anyway, look at these dies. These dies are amazing. I think this one's called the hexagon. Maybe I should have looked before I started talking. But I'm going to do it on this light blue paper. And that was tough when I went to photograph it, but I absolutely love the look in real life. I think you will too. If you haven't seen the cardstock paper that comes along with, and it's an additional purchase with the kit, it's amazing. One side is polka dots and one side is a nice solid beautiful color, lots of different colors. And of course, it all coordinates with all of the goodies that are in the kit. And this one is also all inclusive. You can't get any of this product anywhere. So I, excuse me, still coughing. I cut the hexagon twice. One with the black and white polka dotted-ish kind of paper that's in the kit, and then one on just a scrap white paper. I wanted to have it a little bit thicker so it would have some a little bit more texture when I added my photos on top of it and all the embellishments that I'm about to add. Actually, I didn't know where this layout was going, but I loved that black and white piece from the Pocket Life, and that's the one I pulled in that I meant to mention at the beginning. So I just use a fine tip glue and stick it down where I think I might want it, because I am a sticker. I put it in place, and I don't typically like to pick things back up. I stick as I go usually, but when I did these embellishments for this video, for some reason, I don't know what came across me, but I did just place things down and then I added them to it, which isn't like me. I usually just go ahead and start sticking and go for it. But this is my son and my niece, and they have the same shirt on, and well, he bought her that matching shirt last year for Christmas. So I thought it was cute, and it's a little yellow. It's a little blurry of a photo, but it's still worth documenting. So anyway, I use a lot of the ephemera that comes in the main kit. And then I went to this other pocket of ephemera pieces. I'm so sorry. Another packet of the ephemera pieces. One is the florals that comes with the kit. And then the other one is and more items other than flowers. Like there's a pair of boots, there's a house, that kind of thing. I did grab out that blue banner, and then I brought in a few of the chipboard from the frame chipboard that you see over to the right. This layout came together really simply. I mean, if you have something in mind, and like when a kit coordinates like this, it's so easy to put things together. And I'm not kidding when I say this probably took 30 minutes for me to do. My husband and I were talking the whole time. I did edit out my hands because I talk with my hands, as I'm doing right now, but you can't see it. Anyway, so quick, easy layouts come together with kits that all match and coordinate. So I highly recommend a kit if you haven't tried it yet. So another die is the bow. And now I don't know when all of these dies are releasing. After I did my videos, I found out that some are releasing in January and some in February. But let me tell you that you need this wreathy looking die because it comes with that bow. That bow is the reason you need the whole thing. I love it. I cut it 3 times, layered it together like all those card makers do for strength, because it's awfully thin. No way foam tape would fit behind that, and you know that I should own stock in 3M foam tape or Scotch foam tape or something. So if you're listening, any of you, feel free to send me some foam tape. I actually did hand journal on this layout too. I put their names, and then after I got all done with it and off camera, I looked up the date and added that after. So I did add some embellishments from the little packet that comes with one of the kits that's available this December. And I love how it came out. I hope you do too. And I hope you found some inspiration from this. Get a kit, give it a try. You'll love it. Here are some close-ups. Oh, that marker is like so old. I almost want to pause this, but I don't know how to. And I've had it since 1991, I think, when I first started. And it does 4 different size dots. And I love it. It looks like black ink, but it's not black ink, so I'm not ruining anything. I'm dropping it exactly where I want to put it. No idea where you can get it. Imagine a Sharpie could do the same thing, but it's fabulous. Here are some close-ups. Please come back. Please subscribe, like, comment, all of that jazz. And I will see you again next week. I think I'm up again for another post. So I'll see you then. Aren't those close-ups of those flowers gorgeous? They're really beautiful. Anyway, I will see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.